Everyone is saying by the age of 25, human brain is fully developed and your personality is locked in. But it's only half a truth. A child's brain plasticity from his born up to the age of 25 is formed by a phenomena of passive exposure. Their brain simply absorb the information and their neuropathways are created. But it's not a situation for adulthood. As we move into the adulthood, our neuropathways are fixed, whether it's sensory maps or motor maps. But we can change it with the help of neuroplasticity. To understand the neuroplasticity, we have to understand two hormones. First one is norepinephrine, second one is acetylcholine. Let's understand norepinephrine. When we see ourselves in danger, our body releases epinephrine, which is responsible to push ourselves in fight or flight mode. It also releases the norepinephrine in our brain, which is responsible for alertness in our brain. But we cannot simply put ourselves in danger every time we need alertness. So study shows that when we do a large muscle exercise for a limited period of time in high intensity, our body releases the epinephrine, which binds with vagus nerve receptors. These vagus nerve receptors transmit glutamate, which is an excitation transmitter, to the NTS. Then NTS in the brain signals locus coeruleus, which releases norepinephrine in the brain. Norepinephrine is what makes us alert, but we need focus and alertness to change our neuropathways. So to get focus, we need acetylcholine. Acetylcholine is released from nucleus basilus. You remember the NTS pathways, NTS to locus coeruleus, and locus coeruleus releases the norepinephrine. There's a different path to it. NTS also signals nucleus basilus, which releases the acetylcholine in our brain. Acetylcholine is also available in our brain and in our body in the form of heart rhythm hormone or muscle contraction hormone. But acetylcholine, which released from nucleus basilus, is what makes us focused. So a combination of norepinephrine and acetylcholine is what triggers neuroplasticity in our brain. But we need deep sleep with it. Combination of all this is what makes structure of our brain. Norepinephrine plus acetylcholine triggers our brain, and deep sleep is what structures our brain. So whenever we want to learn a new skill, we have to understand we trigger that skill with hard exercise, a hard limited period of exercise, to release the norepinephrine and acetylcholine in our brain, and we will get deep sleep in the night to structure our brain.